I'm going to carry on from the last video. We were looking at the blocking objects. Let me rename this blocking obj. Let's also make sure that the file is renamed. And if I scroll down, these functions, I'm going to put them in the new class that I created, not the character controller. So Control T, blocking obj data. We have a delegation where we do something and not return anything. So we have functions like clear front blocking obj dictionary. I'm going to be saving the function here, so I'm going to go back and I'm not going to use the enum anymore. Delete that. Save the function inside the class, inside the variable, clear front blocking obj dictionary. Get rid of the line. We should have some error messages. The function is moved to a different place. So just fix the line accordingly. We go to the blocking data and get the function there. I'm going to do the same for the other functions. So here we're returning a bool. Let me get rid of the enum first. Go back to the data. And this time we have a delegation where we return some sort of a bool data. That bool is getting whether the left side is blocked or right side is blocked. Left side blocked. Right side blocked. Back in the subcomponent, we just save the data there. Left side is blocked. Right side is blocked. And we no longer need these two lines. Again, we got to fix the errors. We're just getting the function from a different place, which is blocking data. Right side is blocked. Here, left side is blocked. We have one more red mark. Two more, actually. Just fix the lines. Right side is blocked. Left side is blocked. If I go back to the editor, okay, errors are gone. We still have a few more functions to move. Here, getting the front blocking characters and objects. If we look at the function, we're getting a list of game objects. So back in the class, we have a delegation where we get a list of game objects. Return game obj list. And we have two different functions where we get a list. Get front blocking obj list. We also have get front blocking characters list. So we're going to save the functions here. Let me get rid of the enums first. F12. Looks like we can get rid of this entire thing. And we save the functions inside the new class. Get front blocking characters list. Get front blocking characters. Get front blocking obj list. Get front blocking obj list. Get rid of the lines. For a little more clarity, let me rename this. Get front blocking character list. And we gotta fix the error messages. So the character control doesn't need the dictionary anymore, nor the delegation. So we just get rid of it. And let's look for more errors. We just call the function from a different place. Get from blocking characters list. Next. This time we're getting the front blocking objects. Get front blocking obj list. And we go fix the other errors. Okay, looks like we have no more. If I go back to the subcomponent, blocking obj, I think this is a much cleaner look. So any kind of data that we're exposing to the outside, we're saving it up in this class. If I go back and play, everything should be the same. Okay, we still have the rolling and jumping. And everything else should be there. Okay, I'll do more in the next video. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.